Hi, ladies. This is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa coming back at you with something new. I haven't tried it yet. We're going to try it together. It's eyelashes, of course. I haven't done my eyelashes. I've done everything else. I bought this off Amazon, so we're going to play around and see if it works. If it works, then awesomeness. It's one of those heated eyelash curlers. This is it. And I'm not sure if it's called Granado or Granadu. It's what it says up there. It's got all the directions on the back of it, which I have read. You do have to make sure this is a little charger thing that comes with it. So you got this end here, and then I have my own little block, and I have charged it already. So I can take this out, and when you turn it on, this is where you turn it on right here. I did figure that much out. So it has to heat up. It says it heats up within 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna let it have 30 seconds to heat up, and then we're going to try it. Look how, I mean, my lashes are pretty long now. I've been using Quadra Mascara, and man, what a difference. It has a serum in it. It's a growth serum in it. It's a unique product, but my lashes have never been this long since I was a teenager. Honestly, they're absolutely great now. So we're going to try this out on these long lashes I have now. So let it warm up, and I'll be right back. Okay, now this does say when you use this, you got to kind of get it at a 90-degree angle. And that's what I'm reading on the back here. But it also says with your hands up, then go for, okay, I got it. And do it gently, like a 90-degree angle. Well, you can do your mascara right after it. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to do one eye, and we're going to see what this thing does. And I'm kind of, let me see if it feels. Yes, it's warm. Oh, yeah, that's good. All right, so I'm gonna do. Let's do this eye first because I'm right-handed anyway, and so I think that might be my happy place on this side. Let me just see if I can use this mirror too. No, I can't use that mirror. So I'm gonna look down into my mirror real quick so I can see what I'm doing, and I'm just gonna kind of bring it up. Ooh, I can see my lashes. It is hot now. And you're supposed to turn it at an angle. So let's see. And you hold it just for a little bit. It's not that bad. Does it look curled? Oh, it does. Wow. I mean, they're touching. Oh my gosh, when I do my eyes up, it's touching my above my lid. Girl, I can't wait to put mascara on this. I didn't even leave it on that long. Goodness gracious. You see how happy I am? I'm happy when things work. All right, so I'm going to try it. I'm just going to do it one more time. I'm not going to hold it very long. I just want to make sure I get the ends down here. Hang on a minute. You got to get it at the right angle. It's got to be like a 90-degree angle. There you go. And you got to lift it up like this. There we go. And it's warm, but it's not like super, super bad at all. Oh my goodness, look at the difference. Ooh, these things gonna be touching my brows. All right, I'm gonna turn it off because I want to do the mascara. I want us to see how it's gonna look when I put this mascara on. Okay, so I do have two different mascaras here. I have this Thrive, which I like. My friend sent me, Lori sent me this. And then this is Younique's. This is the one I've been using that's gotten my lashes so long. I'm serious now. When I look up, I feel it touching my lid up here, like up here touching. That's so cool. Now, this one is just two-sided brush. It does have a serum in it. It's got primer in it. It's tubing mascara. It is really a cool product. I do like it, and I have used it a lot. I could do one eye and one eye, but I got to go to the grocery store. I don't want to look lopsided. So this is the side that is more like a synthetic brush. And then when you turn it, see, that's the brush. And you always start with this side. And then this side is what lengthens it, okay? So let me pull my hair back just a tad. I don't think I have anything just laying here quickly that I could grab. So let me grab that, and we're going to try this one. Okay, can you see the curl in that? Can you see it? I am just blown away. Now I'm looking up on this side. You don't see that on this side. We see it on this side. Oh, girl, this might have something to do with it. So I'm going to use this one because I need to get me some nice serum. You know, I need my lashes to stay healthy. And this has done the trick for me. And I think you would like it too. Although the Thrive is a very good one too. It's a tubing one. And it really does get your lashes long. But it does not have the serum in it. So we're going to use this side here first. And I'm going to start at the bottom. And what I typically would do is just jiggle it right through here at the bottom because that's where I want that serum. That's where it needs to be. And then I just start kind of flipping it upward. And let's see what we get. My hair's in the way. Still. And when you're using this product, I think I've done a video on this. I know I've used it on I don't know if I've used it. Yeah, I have done it on YouTube. I have, but basically on Facebook, you know, I have a Younique by Melissa page on Facebook. So if you want to come and hang out with me during the week, I would love that. I'm usually on at like 6 in the morning. You can always come back and check because I still work, people. I still have a full-time job. And, you know, I just love this and I love doing this and it's so much fun. I look forward to creating these videos for everybody and I look forward to trying new products. And if they work, now you're in real time with me trying this out. I'm going to turn it now to that side, the synthetic side, and let's see what happens. I want to see how long these babies get. I would do the Thrive on the other side, but darn, I'd have to take it off because I don't want it. Two different ones. And I know Thrive will probably get it like super long. That's for sure. But I need to use my serum because I've been using the Thrive for like the last 4 days. So it's time for me to do my serum. Let me turn it to the synthetic side. Here we go. Now let's see what we get, girlfriend. Oh my goodness. All right, so I am going to kind of stay looking down. I'm afraid to look up because I'm afraid it'll get on my, I think it's kind of longer than I thought it was going to be. Oh my goodness. It really does curl them. Wow. Okay, I'm going to let this dry and then we're going to come back and look at it and look at this side to this side. And I can go ahead and like curl this side just to see, what it looks like, the difference in the two. Okay, look at these lashes, girls. Wow. This is incredible. I really like this. This does not cost that much. I will link it below. I think you would love it. It took about 2 days to get here. Everything comes from China, but it took about 2 days to get here, and that is incredible. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let me tell you what I did do. I did use Quadra. I did use that because I love the serum that's in this, okay? The serum is really, really, really important. Now, this I also used. I used this one first, and then I turned around and did this one. And look, the length, oh, it gave me. And, you can put two together. Don't think you can't. You can. So, man, look. And what about this eye look? I love this. This is Younique's. This is what I have on. This is Younique's little quad palette. This is the warm tone. They have a cool tone one too. But isn't that beautiful? I put this color right here on my lips. That's where you see that shine. That way, when you go somewhere, you kiss somebody, it don't come off on them. So, smart. All right. Please like and share and click that notification bell. I am here on Sundays and I would love for you to come back and hang out with me. At 61, if y'all are in your 60s, your 50s, even your 40s, you're going to learn something from here. I hope you do. And that's my intent. So I will see y'all next week. See you later.